Yo, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to transfer money from Monzo to PayPal. Make sure you watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistake, and also hit the subscribe button because it just helps me out. So to get started with the simple press and method to transfer money from Monzo to PayPal. So the first thing to do is to open the PayPal. They'll go to the PayPal app, or probably can log in through the website. Then once you logged in, then click on wallet. Then from there you have to tap on link a bank account, then enter your Monzo sort code and your account number, then confirm and save. And after that, you have to verify your Monzo account. So PayPal will send a 2 small deposit to your Monzo account. So open your Monzo app and check the deposit amount, then go back to your PayPal, then enter the amounts to those amounts to verify your Monzo account. Then after that, you have to add money from your Monzo to PayPal. So in PayPal, tap on wallet, then click on add money, then choose your linked Monzo bank account, then enter the amounts you want to transfer, then tap on confirm. And that's how you can simply transfer money from Monzo to PayPal. Find the video helpful, turn the notification button on, subscribe for more.